Hi everybody, I made beef chow mein. This came out super yummy. My family loved this and it's really easy to make. So let me show you how I made it. I had a couple of steaks and I slivered them like this. So you just want to cut them into thin slices like this. I added some soy sauce and some sesame oil. I added some cornstarch and baking soda. The baking soda really tenderizes your beef. So I'm going to mix everything together and I'm going to set it to the side and let it marinate for about 15 minutes. In a separate bowl, I'm going to add some soy sauce, oyster sauce, vinegar, and a cornstarch slurry. And then some garlic powder. I'm going to mix this together, set this to the side. We'll use it later. I have some water. I'm going to let it come up to a strong boil. These are some vegetables. I have some carrots. I slivered them really thin, and I had some asparagus. You could use green beans or broccoli if you want, but these are the vegetables that I had. I also slivered some onion, and these are going to be my vegetables. Now here's my water. It's bubbling. Make sure it's really hot. I'm going to start cooking my vegetables. Okay, so I'm going to cook my vegetables for 3 minutes, minus the onion. Okay, cook these for 3 minutes, then scoop them out, put them on a plate or in your colander, and leave that water boiling. Okay, we'll use it again later. These are the noodles that I'm going to use. I did not get them at a special market. I got them at Albertsons, but they're my favorite noodles. They only take 3 minutes to cook. That same water that you just used for your vegetables, reheat it, let it come back up to a boil. While that water is reheating, I have my hot wok. It's a little over the medium. You got to make sure it's hot. I added a little bit of oil and I'm going to start cooking my beef pieces. You want to cook them in batches. It took me 3 batches to cook them. And you don't want them to be touching. Otherwise, they start to release a lot of the juice. I cook them 2 minutes on each side. You want your beef cooked about 80%. And you want it to look slightly seared like these. So I'm going to continue cooking my beef. When I'm at the last batch of beef, that's when I'm going to start cooking my noodles. The noodles are only going to take 3 minutes to cook, so I'm going to set my timer. So as I've been cooking my beef, I've been putting it off to the side on a plate. My wok still has a lot of the good juices from the beef. I'm cooking my onions for about 3 minutes. And then I'm going to bring in my already cooked noodles. I'm going to mix them together. Next, I'm going to get my cooked vegetables and I'm going to add those. And now I'm going to get my beautiful beef pieces and I'm going to include all the juice and mix that together. Okay, now remember that sauce that we made earlier? Now I'm going to bring in that sauce. Now I'm going to mix everything up, stir fry it, and cook it for another 2 minutes just to combine everything. So this chow mein isn't hard to make at all, and it has so much flavor. It came out really delicious. My family really enjoyed this dinner, and I know your family will too. So this is my beef chow mein. Thanks for watching.